What are you planning on eating though? Some salad, some raw chicken? Okay. Nothing, so bye. Come on. I just love that I can leave the pantry open now.
So when you're mixing it, you basically want to get like a sponge mix. So you add a touch of milk. It's,
kind of like a dough?
yeah, you just want like a cake mix.
They're not biscuits, they're seeds. They're seeds, you can't eat that. I know you are trying to find every single thing that looks resembles a biscuit, but there aren't any. I'm trying to tell you there aren't any because I've thrown them out. Understand, child? Everything is gone. There is nothing here. See? Tea, salt, honey, tea bag. This is sponges. This is
See, Jerush?
yeah.
So you just mix it until it gives you, there's half a cup of caster sugar, 2 cups of self-raising flour, 70 grams of butter, just melted.
I totally see the consistency.
1 egg and 200 grams of ricotta chicken.
Okay.
And you just combine the dry ingredients first.
Till you get that
Then
kind of
add
like, it
all
looks
the
like a
wet
cake
ingredients.
mix. Yeah.
And then you just make a cake mix. And you just heat up and just make it really, really nice and smooth.
Okay, chef. Here are my flowers from yesterday from Jill.
They're just hot cakes.
Hot
And
cakes?
You need to have, it's best to have.
Wait, I only get 2?
Yeah.
You get 3?
I'll give you mine.
How fair is that?
It's very fair.
You have some. Wow. Okay. I don't want 2. You want more? Okay. Okay.
So you gotta have your oven hot. Okay, okay.
How bad is that chair? Yummy cake. Wow. Do you want to see if there's any ice cream? Oh, I said it now. I said it now. Diamonds all over my body. Shining all over my body. My body with got it. Buddy got rich, you upset what? Cuddy got rich, you upset what? Cuddy put the pussy on offset what? No, she's running on offset what? No, that's your bib. You have to keep it on to eat your cake. All right, let's get a good shot. Cuddy got rich, you upset what? Cuddy put the pussy on offset what? Cuddy now running on offset what?
My favorite.
Oh.
Did you tell my nieces I hate that?
Yeah. They're already saying everything of hers. Alright, here is the stack. Alright, here is the stack. This is yummy Canadian maple syrup. Shout out to Canada. Shout out to my niece, Kelsey. Ooh, yum. Alright, we'll put some on yours. A little bit, okay? A little bit. Oh, yum. Yum. You're gonna love it, trust me. My sugar fiend. Yum. Isn't it delicious? Yeah, girl. Oh. Yum, thanks, chef. Takeaway latte. This was an L&M cocoa in my cup mug, but it got dishwashed as well. Oh, spill. So now it's nothing. Holy shit, I'm just sitting here and I'm like, who the hell is jumping around? Look at this guy. Yes, honey. Get your pet-o on. Okay. Hi guys. Hey guys. I can't say that anymore without, you know, having a laugh, thinking of my son. We're gonna do a bit of makeup again today. This is my Nude by Nature mineral primer. I'm putting a bit of a face on right now because there's a barbecue at my in-laws that my husband and Mussy just went to, and I'm going to drop in there, see everyone, have a chat, but then go and have lunch with my bestie, my best friend, who is over here at the moment from LA, Los Angeles, and this is my Chanel BB cream. It's amazing. It's actually quite thick, I'm not gonna lie. I don't even know if I would call this a BB cream. Okay, I totally forgot to come back. Soz. I'm going to quickly step back and show you my outfit for this lunch. These lashes are playing me hardcore. The dry clear duo glue is not working. It's probably too old, to be honest. I need a new one. I'm going to step back and show you this outfit that I'm wearing to coffee with Ziggy, and I'm just going to go to the barbecue now, and then dinner tonight. Ooh. Look, we're not adventurous, so the dinner is just at my hubby's restaurant, but it's my friends coming to have dinner, and I want them to see the restaurant, so the renovation and everything, so it's really good timing. I'm going to step back and show you. This is my Gucci Cities tee that I just got from Farfetch. It's kind of a lemony yellow. I just wore it to film yesterday for the first time. These are cotton on jeans, and I have my Ellipse. They're really high rise, and my Ellipse Louis Vuitton belt on, and I just kind of pull it over like so. I'm gonna wear today my Gucci Star. We're gonna go all Gucci Star and GG faded gradient square sunnies, and this is the outfit, which I really love. This is so me. This is so my zhuzh. So on my feet are my Gucci Ace sneakers in the pearl and spike, which I've shown, I unboxed, but the pearl and spike on the outside, and then just these are ankle grazer jeans, which I like, and they're really comfy and really high rise. I really like them. My new Zara Basics blazer I will just throw on for a bit of zhuzh, and want to carry a crossbody bag, and I've been carrying in my Neverfull my Super Mini, and it's just too easy. I know it's like Gucci personified, but it's so easy. It's already got my stuff in it, so I'm just going to use this for sure. So this is a cute outfit. So that is the OOTD. Let's go to this barbecue. I just want to show you this amazing feast my mother-in-law has prepared for us. Lamb roast, beautiful salad. So yum. Oh my gosh, I swear, nicest lunch ever. I just instantly put on like 4 kilos from just eating all that food. But my mother-in-law is that like amazing Persian mother who can cook. Like, she is the best cook in the whole community, and it's just amazing because I get to learn from her, which is such a blessing. But oh, that was so delicious. Okay, we're going to have coffee with Ziggy now. I've left the boys there, and I think Jill's is going to pick up Mussy from their house, so that's fine. On the vlog, I'm vlogging. I vlog. Oh, what do I have to do? You say hi. They've already seen you in the LA vlog.
Oh, okay.
This is Ziggy.
Hi.
She's pretending to be shy, which is completely
Start
stupid
again.
because she's... Okay, take 2. I'm leaving all of this in. Let's do an OOTD with Ziggy because this is the cutest cardigan right now. All right, you can look at yourself at the same time. Okay, OOTD outfit of the day. Where is your cardigan, I mean your sweater from?
Rag and Bone, New York.
Oh, Rag and
like
Bone,
that?
New York. Let's show the details on the back because it's got cool shouldered strip work. There's like a neon, I want to say a neon kind of thread. She's got kind of cool boyfriend jeans on. She's got her Adidas Nikes on.
They're nice. They're
G-Stars and her Jerusha bag.
Hello.
She's had that for like how many?
Like 10 years.
I don't even want to show how
like
much
5
it's
years,
destroyed.
But I'm not very good at taking care of my belongings.
But
at
it's
times.
amazing. She loves her Jerusha bag. Okay, let's go. Got engaged on like a dinghy.
Yeah.
I got engaged on a seaplane is what I just said.
I know.
I got engaged on that, and you got engaged on a boat.
What is that thing doing there?
It's filming us.
Why?
Because I vlog.
Oh.
This is my livelihood. Are you gonna smoke in the Jag?
No.
I'm leaving that on the
Prepare
vlog for you. You're doing rollies again?
Well, now I get real drunk real quick. Oh, that button noise isn't annoying at all.
Do you want to tell the vlog anything? Do you want to tell the vlog any words of wisdom?
Well, some people say that, you know, the northern beaches is far, but it's God's country. And although I don't believe in God, I do believe that if there was a God, this would be the place that he chose for us to be. So
With that being said,
I'm off to get a glass of wine.
because she needs wine. She needs wine. You hate my vlogging.
Because I don't like it. I don't even post anything of myself on Instagram.
It's not on Instagram. It's on YouTube. Come on, at least look like you're impressed to be with me.
I am impressed to be with you.
Like it.
You can take your sunglasses off. It's dark now.
So Ziggy and I came to this little cafe. This is a suburb that Ziggy's folks live in. Avalon.
Folks being parentals.
It's beautiful. This little cafe, we came here. We used to come here all the time before I was married, remember? And we used to like divulge like secret plans.
Yes, it was always
Oh, they've renovated it. Wow, that's nice. So pretty. So it's called Alma restaurant in Avalon.
I'll get you to shut up soon.
But we're not eating here because we're eating at our restaurant. And Ziggy's gonna see the renovation. Oh my god, don't you love being able to see it? I feel like a 2-year-old, yeah, it's beautiful. Leaning towards May. Oh my god!
I already had like 3 days.
How's it going? Oh, okay. Alright. Is it? Look at mine. You came straight over that. Let's have a look.
Yes,
Best friend in the world. Have you unfollowed me from Instagram yet?
maybe. I think I just stopped following the story.
She gets sick of seeing the luxury posts all the time. Tell them the truth. They can hear.
I'm just not a luxury item kind of person. You know, I'm a human rights activist, so it would kind of not make sense.
That's not what she does. She's actually a film director, but very close in LA. Why?
I'm getting in the car.
What you want me to? She wants me to vlog this card shop.
I don't want you to vlog that. I said if you need something to vlog, you can use it.
I want to. Oh, you're gonna be more than enough entertainment for the vlog, my friend. More than enough. Shut up and drive.
I thought you'd like that.
Shut up and drive.
Rihanna or whatever fucking it is.
This is a perfect taste of how incredibly polite,
Vulgar I am.
polite and sweet-natured my best friend is.
This car is not good for tall people.
Listen, it ain't mine.
I'm just...
And it ain't Jill's either. Are you opening the roof
Well,
so
yes,
you can
because
stick
my
your head out?
hair is actually impeding my posture right now.
Okay guys, I'm going to end the vlog here, but you've seen my beautiful Zig. I'm going to miss her when she goes back over to California, but shout out to California. Hi all my followers in California. I wish I was back over there seeing you guys. It was so great meeting up with you when I was over there. But this little bunny, I got to have a nice afternoon. Thanks, I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye! Bye.